So my name is Glenn. I'm one of the owners here at Plumbtree Plumbing Rooter. So one of the ways that you can detect that you'll need drain cleaning services is you'll have standing water in the shower. Otherwise, sometimes you'll notice there's a gurgling noise when you flush the toilet, or if you run some of the other fixtures in the bathroom, you can hear the toilet start to gurgle. The other thing you'll notice is in the kitchen. Sometimes the kitchen sink will start to fill up. You turn on the garbage disposal, water comes out the air gap on the sink, and that way you know that you're starting to have a blockage on the kitchen drain.